In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove a price alert on Whitebit. Price alerts are a convenient way to stay updated when a cryptocurrency reaches a specific value. However, if you no longer need an alert or want to clean up your active notifications, Whitebit lets you remove it in just a few simple steps. To get started, access your Whitebit account and navigate to the Markets or Trading section. From there, click any alarm icon to open the list of your active alerts. Here, you'll be able to see all of the price alerts you've created for all trading pair, including the target prices and alert conditions. Browse through the list and find the alert you want to delete. If you have several alerts set for the same cryptocurrency, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Next to the alert, you'll see an option to delete price alert. Click the delete button and the selected price alert will be deleted immediately. Whitebit will no longer monitor that specific price level, and you won't receive notifications if the market reaches it. If you have multiple alerts that are no longer needed, you can repeat the same process for each one. This helps keep your alert list organized and ensures you're only notified about the price levels that are still important to you. And that's how to remove a price alert on Whitebit.